drag was quite intense because you felt that it releases your air pressure quite quickly. Why? If I'm putting my lips in that loose state, I cannot hold any air pressure. And remember, the tire of an airplane is quite big, but the valve always stays small. We are the tire, and in order to create air pressure, we need to use our lips as a valve. So the smaller gap, the smaller I can pressure my lips, pursed lips, and I can push that air forward, the more pressure I can give on it, the higher my frequency of my tongue gets. Never forget to use my nose for inhaling and my mouth for exhaling. Keep remembering that. The drone is actually the perfect balance we want to find for our lips. Well, in order to do that, we need to understand three principles. First, air pressure we create with our lips. The way how we move through that air pressure is by either loosening it or tightening it, and it helps to put your lips into a smile or not. The other thing, second part, is that we need to, in order to create an air flow, that's a Gregorian singing technique I've been using in my vocal classes a lot, and also in my didgeridoo classes because it's the same, that I use my jaw backwards with the Queen's English. And if I now put my lips or my finger, my index finger, behind my foreteeth, you got this, with the Queen's English thing. But by doing that and then closing my lips, I maintain the air flow and pressure and power. If I would not do that, then my jaw would go forward and I would strengthen and even force my throat. That's what happens with most people who have sore throats. They are using their voice too much like this. And you're damaging the thorax. Okay, so get to the didgeridoo. And by now, you know, inhaling with your nose, exhaling with your mouth. Put your feet on your heels and not on your toes, but put them on your heels. Bend your knees a bit and focus on the end side of your instrument. Because now that's your focus point. The end point of your didgeridoo, that's your focus point. So inhaling with my nose. Last time. How did that feel? And what kind of difference did you went back to the drag, or did you went back from horn to drum? How did your sound like? If it was that top sound, that horn sound, then your lips were too tight. You have to lower them. And if you had the feeling that your air just flushed through, then you would be on the drag side. So tighten your lips a bit more. Exercise for now is 4 counts, 1 sniff. So it's putting pressure on my belly. Sniff. Sniff. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You? Me? You? Last time. Again. For the smart viewers between us, you saw that I kept my cheeks flat. It's very important to keep your cheeks flat. Why? Because it maintains your air pressure. Assignment for this week is going to be to feel the difference between the drag and your drone tone and what it does with your horn tone. Next week we're going to focus more on the horn tone. This means that by playing and pushing those pulses, always pulse on 4 and then inhale, pulse and 4. You will have to feel that it's a body workout with my respiratory system and my stomach and my back. It's key that you understand those muscles and that movement in that pace. Leave your comments, leave your experiences, be engaging also towards me. The more you are, the more I'm able to teach and coach you as well. See you next week. Next week we're going to focus on the horn. See you soon. Enjoy life and share it with as many people you possibly can. Bye bye.